Over the last decade, air rifles have exploded in popularity. And with that growth, manufacturers have stepped up with some seriously impressive platforms. From precision bench rest work to backyard plinking, all the way to small game hunting, today's lineup of high-performance air rifles has something for every shooter. Number 1. Umarex Zelos, the modular PCP that does it all. The Umarex Zelos is a pre-charged pneumatic rifle built from the ground up for versatility. This isn't a one-trick pony. Whether you're hunting squirrels, hammering steel, or chasing tight groups at the bench, the Zelos is set up to cover it. It comes in both 22 caliber and 25 caliber. Each version runs off a 3,625 pounds per square inch air cylinder with plenty of capacity for extended range time. An adjustable pressure regulator lets you fine-tune between 1,000 and 2,000 pounds per square inch. Add in a 2-stage trigger you can dial in to your preference, and this rifle adapts to however you want to shoot. The design is a compact bullpup. You're getting a 26-inch barrel stuffed into a 36-inch overall length. That means it handles tight, but still gives you the accuracy of a full-length tube. It's built with a side lever action for smooth cycling. Up top, you've got a full-length 21-slot Picatinny rail for optics. Down below, the 250 cubic centimeter air tank has its own accessory rail, completely free-floated from the barrel, with 8 mounting slots. Performance-wise, the 22 caliber model launches pellets at 1,100 feet per second, with a 20-shot rotary magazine that auto-indexes. That translates to 26 foot-pounds of muzzle energy. Step up to the 25 caliber, and you're hitting 1,000 feet per second with 36 foot-pounds of energy. Both versions retail around $599, which is strong value for the amount of engineering packed into this rifle. Number 2. Sig Sauer MPX Gen 2, a CO2 trainer that feels real. This one is modeled directly after the legendary Sig MPX short-barreled rifle. The Gen 2 air rifle is about as close as you can get to the real deal without burning through centerfire ammo. Weight, balance, and controls all match its firearm counterpart. That makes it perfect for realistic training while keeping the ammo budget in check. It runs on carbon dioxide and feeds from a 30-round rotobelt magazine, giving you semi-automatic fire at full speed. Hook it to a high-pressure air bottle, and you can easily push 250 rounds before refilling. It's chambered in 177 caliber. With the right SIG pellets, you're looking at 600 feet per second and groups under 1 inch at 30 yards. That's excellent accuracy for a trainer. Features include flip-up sights, a red dot optic, ergonomic vertical foregrip, adjustable stock, and a synthetic handguard with Picatinny rails. The trigger is crisp enough for rapid, controlled strings of fire. Overall, this platform is ideal for high-volume backyard training, reactive drills, or just fun shooting with friends, all while keeping the feel of the real MPX. Number 3. EDgun Leshiy 2.0, modularity taken to the extreme. Now this one is a game changer. The EDgun Leshiy 2.0 has redefined what an air rifle can be. It's available in everything from 177 all the way up to 35 caliber. And it's semi-automatic, so you're not working a bolt or lever between shots. The real magic is in its modularity. You can swap barrels from just under 10 inches all the way up to 24 inches. That means you can set it up compact for carry, or stretched out for precision long-range work. It runs on a re-engineered valve system that EDgun spent years perfecting, backed by international patents. That's the heart of what makes this rifle so tunable and consistent. Deployment is simple. Flip the safety, pull the trigger, and you're in business. Fold the stock, and the whole rifle stows in a backpack or vehicle. When you need it, one button deploys it in seconds. Whether you want portability, adjustability, or next-level design, the Leshiy 2.0 delivers a degree of control and performance almost nothing else in the airgun market can touch. Number 4. Norica Viriatus 2.0 BP Precision Bullpup with on-demand power. The Norica Viriatus 2.0 bullpup is built for shooters who want adjustability and precision in one package. This is a pre-charged pneumatic design, and its big standout is the external power adjustment port. It's mounted right by the breech, so you can tweak power levels on the fly. That means you can dial in velocity for whatever pellet you're running, without tools or downtime. Inside, you've got a regulator that keeps velocity rock solid shot to shot. That kind of consistency is exactly what hunters and precision shooters demand. The ambidextrous beechwood stock isn't just attractive, it's functional. It comes cut with swivel studs front and rear for slings. You get a ventilated rubber butt pad to soak up recoil impulse, and the pistol grip is designed to fit a wide range of hand sizes, so it's comfortable for just about anybody. Pressure management is simple. Up front, you've got a Weka gauge paired with a rotating dust cover ring. Filling is done through a Foster Quick Connect port, so it's fast and straightforward. The Viriatus is available in 177 caliber, 22 caliber, and 25 caliber. No matter the setup, it delivers precision for backyard plinking, pest control, or small game hunting. Number 5. FX Impact M3, hunting rifle with true crossover capability. The FX Impact M3 is one of the most respected crossover rifles in the airgun world. It's earned that reputation because it thrives in both small game and predator hunting. The chassis is modular and lightweight, with a bullpup configuration. It's designed to accept standard AR-style pistol grips, which means you can set it up exactly how you like it. Air comes from a 480 cubic centimeter carbon fiber bottle charged to 3,600 pounds per square inch. And if you're out in the field, you can swap bottles in seconds. The side lever action is silky smooth and cycles magazines effortlessly. But what really separates the M3 is how adaptable it is. You can swap barrels, probes, and mags to match your quarry. Run a 22 caliber for rabbits. Swap to a 25 caliber slug setup for prairie dogs at distance. Or go up to 30 caliber for predator control. It's a rifle that doesn't just fit one role. It's designed for serious hunters who need one gun that can adapt to multiple missions. Number 6. Umarex Komplet NCR, nitrogen-powered innovation. Umarex is rewriting the rulebook with the Komplet NCR. Instead of carbon dioxide or pre-charged air, this rifle is designed around nitrogen cartridges. That's a big deal, because nitrogen is more stable across temperature changes. It's cleaner than carbon dioxide, and it gives you a consistency edge that shooters can feel. With the nitro air system, the rifle runs over 900 feet per second, and it stays steady for more than 45 shots. In testing, Umarex reports up to 1,025 feet per second, with 177 caliber pellets, and about 975 feet per second with 22 caliber laid rounds. The rifle comes equipped with an adjustable trigger, a Picatinny rail on top for optics, and MLOK slots for mounting accessories. Inside the box, you're getting the rifle itself, a 4x32mm scope with rings, a nitro air cartridge, and 2 rotary mags. Retail runs at $199.99. And if you need extras, a 2-pack of cartridges is $24.99. That's a very approachable entry point for this level of innovation. Number 7. Hatsan Factor Sniper L, long-range big-bore authority. When you're talking about stretching distance and hitting with authority, the Hatsan Factor Sniper L is the platform built for the job. This is a long-barreled, high-output air rifle designed to push heavy slugs and pellets. The barrel is wrapped with Hatsan's quiet energy suppression system, which cuts report volume by up to 50%. Thanks to its extended barrel and pressure system, the Factor Sniper L is capable of serious numbers, up to 213 joules in 7.62 mm, and up to 229 joules in 9 mm. That puts this rifle into true big-bore territory, with the energy to take on larger game at extended distances. An internal regulator keeps velocity consistent across the shot string. The frame itself is lined with multiple Picatinny rails for optics, bipods, and any other mission-critical attachments. This is a purpose-built rifle. If you want high-energy performance with the accuracy to back it up, the Factor Sniper L is exactly what it was designed for. Number 8. Gamo Arrow PCP, lightweight accuracy for youth and beginners. This is not an arrow launcher. It's a compact, pre-charged pneumatic rifle built around simplicity and user-friendly ergonomics. It feeds from a 10-round rotary magazine and is offered in 177 and 22 long rifle calibers. The standout control is the Arrow straight side lever. That side lever gives silky, ambidextrous cocking and a very natural hand path for shooters of either side. The barrel is fully shrouded and fitted with Gamo's Whisper Fusion system. That's a dual-stage internal moderator designed to tame muzzle report, making the rifle suitable for backyard practice and small game work. It does not include a regulator, yet the power plant is tuned well enough to return roughly 60 uniform shots per fill on a properly set up example. In plain terms, you get consistent shot-to-shot performance without the complexity of a regulated system. Performance at normal airgun ranges is impressive. With premium pellets, dime-sized groups at 25 yards are routinely achievable. The package weighs in at about 5 pounds, ships with open iron sights, and is light enough for younger shooters or anyone who wants a highly portable hunting rig. If you want a no-nonsense, accurate PCP that teaches fundamentals and won't intimidate new shooters, the Arrow is an excellent pick. Number 9. FX Dynamic Big Bore Precision with Modular Flexibility. The FX Dynamic is a hunting-first platform that borrows FX's competition DNA and then turns the power up for practical field use. Where the Panthera is competition-oriented, the Dynamic ramps up air capacity and expands caliber choices, including a .35 caliber that can produce as much as 200 foot-pounds of energy. That level of energy moves this rifle into territory suitable for serious medium to large game when used with appropriate projectiles. FX offers multiple configurations, so you can tailor the rifle to your mission. The Dynamic Express uses a rear-mounted 480 cubic centimeter carbon fiber tank, a sculpted cheek piece, ARCA-compatible rails, and a barricade block for steady shooting from improvised rests. The Dynamic Double Express doubles onboard air volume with a second forward cylinder, greatly increasing shot count and making long days in the field possible without refills. There's also a Dynamic AR variant that pairs a folding AR-style buttstock with a forward carbon fiber bottle for a compact, tactical-style layout that still breathes power. Barrel lengths and caliber options are broad, so you can pick a balance of velocity, projectile selection, and handling that fits your quarry from coyotes to wild boar using slugs. Across the lineup, you get FX's hallmark accuracy, high onboard air capacity, and modular features that let you configure the rifle for specific hunting scenarios. Number 10. Umarex Prymex. Reliable performance on a budget. The Prymex is a simple, value-priced break barrel designed for backyard plinking and small game chores. It uses a gas piston instead of a conventional coil spring, which changes the feel and maintenance profile. A gas ram system softens cocking effort, reduces perceived recoil and vibration, and maintains tension longer without the spring fatigue you see in older designs. In performance, the Prymex will push 177 alloy pellets toward the upper end of typical pellet velocities. Factory figures advertise up to 1,200 feet per second with alloy pellets, and roughly 1,000 feet per second with conventional laid pellets. The stock is a rugged, all-weather synthetic with molded texture on the pistol grip and forearm for positive handling. Sighting is straightforward: a hooded fiber optic front, an adjustable fiber optic rear, plus a 4x32mm scope that mounts to the 11mm dovetail rail for shooters who prefer optics. At a price point just under $100, the Prymex delivers dependable accuracy, simple operation, and long service life for new shooters and budget-minded owners alike. If you need a no-frills, durable spring replacement air rifle for routine use, it does the job without drama.